Here we go. Uh-oh. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Put the plate down so they can see your beautiful face.
Welcome back.
Oh, welcome back. Who do you have with you today? What are we cooking?
We're cooking strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry shortcake. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Who's that behind you?
Paul.
Paul, who's that next to you? How do you make Baby Gunner be quiet when he starts to yell? What do you sing to him?
ABC.
You don't remember?
A, B,
Or what about this?
I don't know.
You don't know the Baby Shark song?
No.
Yes, you do.
How does it go?
How about the ABC song? Do you know the ABC song?
Oh, yes.
Well, let's start singing for your dessert. You start singing so Baby Gunner will be quiet so you guys can make strawberry shortcake. Put the plate down.
A, C, D, E, F, G, H,
Chaos. Just nothing but
K,
chaos.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
All right, now that you've sang for your dessert, it's time to make strawberry shortcake. Lucy, you need to help your paw. You ready? Move the sign out of the way. Okay, what do we got there?
I don't know.
Those are dessert shells. They're actually just little angel food cakes. And then what do we do?
Put strawberries on
We put
them.
strawberries on it. And then what?
Then we put peanuts on
Let me
it.
get you a spoon.
Can I have some?
Can you put them on the dessert shells so we can have strawberry shortcake together?
Yeah, we'll have it.
No.
We're out of practice. We haven't made a video for a long time. Why haven't we made a video for a long time, Paul?
I don't know.
We haven't made a video because of that, first of all.
Yeah.
Because of the monster. And because... Hiya! Paul had surgery. Remember, Lucy, when Paul had surgery?
That was the last year.
That was last year, and we haven't made any videos since then. Because Paul had surgery, and it's hard to do things with little kids. Goodness gracious.
Okay.
Lucy, can you sing Baby Shark for me? Baby.
Shark do 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 do, baby shark do do do, baby shark do 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 do,
What
baby
about it?
shark do
What
do.
about Mommy Shark and Daddy Shark?
What about Yaya Shark?
What about Gunner Shark and Paul Shark? Good job, guys.
Put some more strawberries on top. Ah!
Make him howl. Make him howl. Like no. He wants some strawberry shortcake. Give him some. There we go, bud. Here's your strawberry shortcake. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.
I
Good
want
job,
this
Paw.
one.
You can have that one.
But I don't have a plate.
Use this plate.
All right, guys. Tell everybody goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for making the video.
Thanks for watching the video.
Can you blow him a big kiss? All right.
What about the boy?
Buddy, you blow a kiss. Mwah. He said, this I want to eat. This. It's okay. I want to sing and eat food. What about Paw? Say bye, Paw.
See you later.